not like Girl Guides or whatever. You don't collect badges for successes. You should collect badges of failure. As long as you don't repeat the failure.
Right. You learn from it and go on.
Learn, move on. But
just being able to laugh at yourself. I mean, back to that humor that you were talking about earlier and looking at our failures as those stepping stones, but also just saying, I screwed up. I mean, I went for the longest time having misspelled the heading on this broadcast. And I was looked at it and I was like, there's an I missing. I just had to laugh. I was like, okay, well, lesson learned. I think I need to use spell check next time. But just, you learn and you grow from it. And
those mistakes are good, as you say, that they are. And laughter is brilliant. I always say that, it's sort of, your mistakes are great stories. You can go,
yes.
You go, so even if it all really messes up, it's a really funny story that you've got to tell your friends. So that's always good to collect. I've got a lot of funny stories. or / failures, one of the two.
Yeah, exactly. We'll just consider them encouraging stories.